Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I will be doing a quick weave closure using a 5x5 HD lace closure from the beauty supply store. I'm also going to be using the Allure extensions 16, 18, 20 in body wave. Go check that out, Instagram in the video. Now I am sewing down the cap where I'm going to be putting the closure just to keep the cap in place and secure it. Now I am taking my alcohol and wiping off any extra dirt or oil, and I'm using Ghost Bond XL. I am applying this 3 times until it's clear and tacky. Now I'm taking my comb and just combing it back and forth to keep the lace in place. Laying them baby hairs. Now I am just taking the tracks and gluing them in the back, because once again this is a quick weave. Actually a quick weave pronto because her hair is braided under. Now we're parting the closure. Ooh, look at that lace, honey. What lace? The hot comb is one of my favorite tools to use to keep my wigs, my closures, all of my styles flat, honey. Now I am curling it. Curls for the girls with the wand curls, just to enhance the body wave, giving the body wave more body. Now I am taking a little bit of Nairobi and just laying down any extra flyaways or anything that's keeping the hair and foundation from being flat, because I'm all about my closures and frontals being flat. No lumpy wigs or weaves, quick weaves, prontos over here, boo. Okay? Period. Yes, my sis looking good. Moment of silence for this lace. Yes. 5x5 $30 beauty supply closure using Allure extension bundles in 16, 18, 20. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, sis.